Today, I will be showing you how to level up your databank in Wuthering Waves. First, press the Escape button on your keyboard to open the main menu. From there, click on Databank. Inside the Databank menu, you'll immediately see your current databank level, along with a progress bar that shows how close you are to the next level. You can also check here if there are any rewards that you haven't claimed yet. For example, if a certain level is still locked, you'll be able to see exactly how much EXP you still need to unlock the next reward tier. Once you're done checking your progress, go back to the game. To gain databank EXP, you need to fight enemies in the open world, such as monsters or other enemies you encounter while exploring in Wuthering Waves. Every time you defeat them, you earn EXP that contributes directly to your databank level. As you continue fighting and gaining EXP, the game will automatically notify you once your databank level increases, so you'll know right away when you've reached a new level. After seeing that notification, press the Escape button again and go back to the databank menu. You should now be able to claim the rewards for reaching a new databank level. Make sure to always check this menu so you don't miss out on any unlocked rewards. And that is how to level up your databank in Wuthering Waves. Thank you for watching.